Now we are going to compare the physical differences between the birds capable of swimming to those which can fly. Most birds that swim in fresh water propel themselves with their feet, like penguins and other diving birds such as auks, grebes, and cormorants. They have relatively solid bones and are capable to float low, like a submarine. They are able to take deep dives. Often birds do not get drowned, but it can happen. If a young bird lands in deep water and its feathers get wet, it may not be able to pull itself out of the water. Birds with webbed feet are most likely capable of swimming. There are many flying birds which actually dive in water to catch their prey. Birds like ducks and swans have flat feet which are without toes, so this supports them to swim underwater. Having strong, well-built legs and claws that are 30% of its body weight. Kiwi is a powerful runner, fighter, and swimmer. Kiwi is the only bird in the world which has external nostrils at the tip of its beak. Birds typically do not have a good sense of smell, but in kiwi, it is very well developed. Sea ducks are the most accomplished divers. These are the type of birds that live on river banks, lakes, or oceans, and typically feed by hunting fish. They are capable of diving up to 10 to 65 feet deep. Although long-tailed ducks are capable of diving much deeper. A typical dive takes 10 to 30 seconds, but diving ducks may remain underwater for a minute, and sometimes even more. Penguins are expert divers. These cute birds live in some of the harshest climates on Earth. They either waddle along shores, slide on their bellies, or dive in the water. They are excellent swimmers. Penguins do not fly, so they use their wings to swim underwater. Hence, the best examples of water birds are penguins, seagulls, waders, ducks, swans, geese, screamers, and kingfishers.
If you liked this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications. In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.